This is gonna blow your mind, so check it out.
Guys, I want you to see this. Are you seeing this? 13 orders in queue, an average of $30 for one order for just a 30 seconds video. And if you watch here, this service has just 7,642 services available. So this means it's very low competition and high paying. And guys, if you scroll down, you see that this gig you can charge up to $200, $120, $15, $185, and so on and so forth. So in this video, I will give you all the details on what to do, how to do it, and how to deliver this order. So first of all, I would like you to do me a favor. If you are watching this video right now, please subscribe to my channel. There is a subscribe button. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Please, I want to see your comments in the comment section. We are trying to hit 5k before August ends. I'm trying to put out videos every day, so please make it worthwhile for me. Okay, so haven't done that, I want to see your comments. Please leave a comment in the comment section if you feel like I'm not it's not a must, but I want to have a conversation with you in the comment section. So let me know what you think about this video in comment section. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So this particular gig, if you search on this keyword explainer videos, okay, on Fiverr, you see that I have, this is live. Okay, this is live, so I'm on my Fiverr account right now. As you can see, we have 7,642 services available on this keyword, and trust me, this is very low and low competition against 14,900 and 100,900 of other other niches. Okay, so this is very low competition, very low number of sellers are offering this. Do you know how I know? So wait, let me show you guys. Let's go to graphics design. Let's go to something like let's go to WordPress. So you see, I want to show you something. Do you guys see 102, like over 100k services available? So this is very high. This is very high. So but against this gig, there are just few number of persons offering it. 7,642 services available. Okay, and what are these guys doing? What these guys are doing, they are creating videos. Okay, animated explainer videos, promo videos for your business. Okay, will create animated explainer video or marketing video sales for your videos, and so on and so forth. These are just short animated videos like this one. Okay, what will happen? Let me I'll open up one. I opened up one already. Okay, this is the one I opened, and this person has 13 orders in queue. My God, this guys, trust me, this niche is hot. I mean, every business in 2021 needs a video. I mean, this service is hot. Okay, so please make sure you watch to the end of this video to get all the knowledge I'm about sharing in this video. So what these guys are doing is that they will create animated explainer video or marketing sales video for your business, and they are offering it. This particular person is offering it for $30, just for 30 seconds, not even up to a minute. Okay, just 75 words maximum, and 7 days delivery, which to me, this gig you can deliver it in 2 days. Okay, no scripting, just music and 30 seconds running time. That's all. The seller gets to provide the words you are going to use. Okay, so let's go to another gig. Okay, this person will provide scripting for $50, then premium $90. This is even moderate. Okay, so but let me play this video so you guys hear. Okay, let me play it so we'll see the kind of videos these guys are offering in their services. Let's play it. So guys, as you can see, this is basically the video. You guys saw it, right? Just animations, okay, crazy animations going on the screen. Okay, to you now, and not just this person, other people are offering it. If you open up this particular, let me open up this particular gig. Okay, definitely this person is going to be doing the same thing. 5 orders in queue. Look at $35, and they're not doing much, no much work, guys. Look at, if I play this video, it's still the same thing they're doing. And this person has 5 orders in queue and has sold up to 616 gigs. My God, look at, let me play this video. Do you guys see? It's basically the same thing that I do, like just an explainer video about a particular brand. Okay, so trust me guys, this is worth it. And this person has 5 orders, and this person is selling 16 has already sold 616 services, right? If you check the reviews here, 35, 240, 682, and so on and so forth on all these persons. And look at this, 801. My god, this niche is very hot. This is one of the hottest niche I know on Fiverr. Okay, and there are not much people doing this, so you have a greater chance of making money with this. All right, and I'm not going to okay, let me why I'm even stressing this, let me just stop here. What I want to do right now is to show you how to deliver this kind of gigs. Okay, so what to do, how to create this kind of videos. That's your next question now. And I know you are wanting to know how to create this kind of videos, right? All I need you to do for me, please leave a comment before I do that right now. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're listening up to this moment, please leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, it helps tell YouTube that I'm doing an amazing work and will help me rank this video. So next section, let's go to how to create this type of videos you just watched, this type of videos. Okay, and how you can deliver them on Fiverr and bank such as this amount. So I want to introduce you to this particular software. It's a paid software, by the way, Video Maker FX. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not promoting this because I'm paid to do it. In some commission. No, it's just that I saw a product, an awesome product that will help you make money on Fiverr, and I choose to introduce you to it. Okay, so this Video Maker FX, I bought it sometime in 2015 through someone, Elvis. Okay, he sold it for me at $67 as of then. But trust me, this website, like this software, sells for less right now. It sells for $27 if I'm right. Okay, $27 right now. Okay, so $27 is not much of an investment for you to make to earn so much offering this gig. And you know what, we are not just offering this gig for on Fiverr. You can offer it off Fiverr, on Facebook, on Instagram, to business owners. Okay, so this software, if you are interested, you can go buy it here. I'm not an affiliate. I'm just recommending it to you guys. Okay, okay, after buying it, you install. Pretty much easy to install. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after downloading it, I'll leave this link in the description. Okay, so if those that want to get in, go get it. Then you find this software. Okay, you log in. They will give you a login details. They will give you a username, password, and all of those things. You log in. Once you log in, you meet this screen. Okay, so let me just walk you through the interface. Okay, that's what I want to do right now. The interface. You go to add slide. Okay, you want to create a video. This kind of videos you see. This kind of videos. Okay, this kind of videos you saw here, people offering on Fiverr. This kind of videos. That's what you want to create now. So you go to add slide. Let me show you again. You go to add slide, right? Okay, go to, there are so many slides, essentials. If you click on one, you will see a preview here. Watch, you see a preview here. Just large image, you see a preview here. Okay, more like an animation. You click essential. There are so many slides. Okay, you see there are so many video express sales, like there are so many. It's more like a template. Okay, it's more like a template. Let me click on business presentation. Watch this preview. Okay, do you guys see? Okay, so it's more like a template. This again. Okay, these are so many templates. Okay, then I want you to see this interesting character, this character Anna. So this Anna, okay, once you click on Anna, you click here. Okay, you see a preview of Anna. Do you guys see? If you click on slide 2, this is another preview. Click on slide 3, this is another preview, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's left for you to know the slide and the business story you are trying to create. Look at, say, meet Frank. He's an internet marketer. If you click on second one, you have something like this, but he's unhappy because of his problems. Okay, so it's more like a template. So all you need to do is find a template that suits the kind of videos you are trying to create. If you get out there in this niche, and if a client gives you a description of what they do and the word, okay, the script of the video, is all left for you to come select templates that will suit your presentation, okay, the video you are trying to create. So just scroll down. There are so many of them. You click Ken. Ken is another character, okay. You see, this is another character. You click on Lisa. Lisa is a lady, another character. Hold on, see, hi. Okay, so I'm just gonna, there are so many of them, not just characters. You have human shapes, okay, human testimonial. If you want to create a fun testimonial, you guys can see, okay. So I'm just gonna select one and edit it. Let me select Lisa, okay. I love Lisa, so I'm just gonna add all slides. If I just need only one slide, just one, this one, I can just add slide. No, but I want it to import all the slides, okay. So I'll just add all slides, okay. So it will load up everything here, okay. It will load up everything here. So all I want to do right now is I want to edit each and every one of the slides to suit what my customers want, okay. I'm just gonna edit one slide, okay. Then you do the same for yourself. This is not a video maker FX tutorial. There are so many tutorials on YouTube that teaches you how to do that, okay. So it's just going to be a short tutorial, but very concise and useful. So click on this one that I want to edit, okay. So let's say you want to edit, okay, hi, you want to change this. This is Linda, okay. So I'm just gonna click on this slide, okay. Come here, text area, okay. This is hi, excuse me, or text 2. You say this is, or text 3, okay. This is where the name comes in, okay. I say this is, I use capital Linda, okay. So you see, to change the hi, this is Linda. Do you guys see? Okay. So if you want to, let me pause this. I want to make a change and be seeing it live, okay. So I make sure I select the particular place I am, like I'm on Linda section, okay, and I want to move Linda, like I want to move Linda to be here, somewhere here. So I'm just gonna enable movement, and you see Linda is moving right now, okay. Then I want to change the size, okay. I can change it to this, okay. You guys see it's increased. I can also change the color. I can change it to black. Do you guys see? I can change it, but white is okay, so I'm just gonna leave white, okay. Then no effect, text effect. I can add creeps, okay. Do you guys see creeps? It's casted a shadow at the back. I can choose dark glow, okay. I can choose strong shadow, okay, or I can choose strong white. All right, so it all depends on what you want. So I'm just gonna select this. This is Linda. No, I'm gonna select this, okay. This looks nicer. All right, then slide delay. If you watch the seconds, the time this slide will be on your screen before it goes off to the next screen is this seconds you are seeing here, 4.5 seconds. So if I want to increase it, I can increase, okay. See, by 1 second is adding 6, but if I want to make it shorter, I can decrease it, okay. Then end delay, okay. This is just to delay the ending, but we don't want that. Then background effect, I can add background effect 1. Do you guys see? Watch here, the background is changing, okay. It's changing. Then what another thing, okay. Then text align, okay. I don't like this background effect. I'll leave it at 0, okay. Sorry, I'll leave it at 0. Yes, okay, this is better, okay. Then text align, I want to align it center, okay. So you guys see, remember I'm in Linda layer, okay. So but I will need it left, okay. So it aligns with this text, and that's all, okay. Then I come to image. I can add an image. Onto here, pictures. I can add an image here, okay. Where is my picture? I can go to downloads, okay. I can add a picture at the back, okay. You guys can see. So if you need a picture, you can add it there, okay. But I don't need a picture, so I'm also gonna clear image, okay. Then this is shapes. If you need to enable shape, okay, you want to move it to one side, shape BG. If you want to move it to one side, okay. Do you guys see it moves? Then animation, you can select animation 1, okay, and change animation. Do you guys see? Animation to anyone that you want, okay. I think this one looks cool. Animation 2, it all depends on like this animation. So okay, so these are basically, if you want to add a video clip, you can click here, okay. So this is basically everything, you know how to customize all of these slides. Okay, so then let me walk you through these ones up here. Okay, so you can go to then if you want to rearrange slides, okay, you can easily move a slide. Okay, you can easily drag and drop the slides. Okay, so okay, that's all. Then I can go to audio. Okay, there are enable music. You can add so many music that are already inbuilt music for you. You guys heard the last music video I played here. It has a background music, right? This video, it has a background music. Okay, so you can as well add your own. A day to smile. Let's just, okay, you can add it, apply to audio volume. You can hide the audio volume, you can reduce it. Okay, or you can add use your own music. You can browse here, add your own music. All right, or enables voice track. You can add the voice you recorded. Okay, anyone you want. I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, let me just lower it. Okay, and apply it. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, because YouTube might, you know, charge me for demonetize the video. Okay, so but you can add music, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna close this here. Okay, then preview project. So let's just preview this video. Okay, let's just watch our video. You see, hi, this is Linda. Okay, this could be faster and more fun if you add music. She's running an online business, but she has a problem. Watch. So guys, hope you are enjoying this video. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate that a lot. Okay, so I think let me just close the window. You guys have seen the preview. Okay, doesn't this video look like what you just saw here? It looks like it, right? Fine. So you just close it and you want to export. You can click on export project. Okay, select the size. Okay, you want it to be quality. You can choose average, very good, anyone you want. Then then choose where you want to save it and export video. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So I think let me just cancel. I think I've done enough justice to this video. There are so many slides which I just showed in the beginning, so it's all left for you to go copy this software. There are other softwares you can use to achieve this, but Video Maker FX has been the one that is very easy for me to create, you know, this kind of videos. Trust me, it works. I've been using it since 2015 and it worked. So just master it. First of all, it will be kind of, you know, wobbly. You won't be able to be that good at it, but with constant practice, trust me, you are going to, you know, create amazing videos with this software. So go copy the software if you want. This is just a video and I saw what work and earn you money and just decided to let you know. Okay, this link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. So I'll end this video right now and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Bye for now.